Hey, my crafty family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Patty, and on Thursdays I do budget-friendly home decor, packaging ideas, and organization. Today I am bringing you 8 super easy, between $20 and $25 Mother's Day gift packaging ideas. These are great for your mother, your sister, your daughter, your daughter-in-law. If you want to know how to make these, stick around. I'll show you how. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Okay, first of all, I wanted to share these gift bags with you. These are a great alternative to using a basket. And there's 16 of them for $16 on Amazon. I'll give you the link. And when you get them, just put them in the dryer for 1 minute and they open up nicely and they become unwrinkled. You can decorate these with stickers, with flowers. You can use rub-on letters. You can use your Cricut. And I'm going to use mine in the first one here. I'm just going to take my bag. I'm going to go ahead and put some crinkle paper down in the bottom of it. And I'm just doing like a spa bag. And I'm putting in a soap dish, a candle, a bar of soap, and a little scrubby. And then I'm going to put some flowers in there. All of this I got at Home Goods. This is all going to be under $25 for this entire thing. Now the flowers, I got those at Dollar Tree, and actually they have some really pretty flowers right now, and I'm just going to roll it up into a bouquet and I'm going to tie a ribbon around it. And then I got these flowers at Michael's, and I'm just going to pull one of these off these and put it in the front of my bag. This is a real easy little gift basket to do. If you just put things in there that are really, color coordinated and everything, it just looks so pretty. And then I decided I had a little bit extra room in here, so I'm adding a little bag of candy to go in here as well. All right, there you have it. That one turned out super cute. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. For this next one, I'm just going to use a gift box that I got on Amazon, and you get 25 of these for like $16. They lay flat so you can store them pretty easy. And you just fold them up, and then I'm just going to layer the bottom of them up with some tissue paper to kind of give it a little bit of height so I don't use so much of my crinkle paper on top. And these are good and deep, so you could put something that's pretty substantial in these. It holds a lot. This next one, I did a peach theme. I've got a bar of soap, a candle, and some hand soap, and some flowers that I got at Dollar Tree. Now, the candles and everything, I got those at Home Goods. And this whole box came in at about $20. Just kind of lay it out until where it looks kind of symmetrical. And then I'm just going to go ahead and close it up. And then I'm going to use some scrapbook paper to decorate the top of it. I'm just going to lay my paper at a diagonal, and then where it's even on both sides, and in the front, the top, and the bottom. And then I'm going to take a bone folder and just kind of fold it so that I know exactly where all my scoring is going to be. So I'm just taking it, going around the box, and then folding it up. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my box off of here, and I'm going to fold my two sides in. And then I'm just going to tape the two edges to the bottom part of the box. Just pull it on there pretty tight. And then I'm going to take a ribbon and tie it around the middle of it. And then I'm going to attach my flowers right up underneath that ribbon. This one is a super simple one, and it really turned out pretty. I'm just going to go ahead and snip the end of it off, anything that's hanging over your box, and then I'm just going to tie a ribbon around the middle. This one turned out so pretty. It's just super simple. Let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, for the next one, I'm doing a garden theme. I got this tin at Dollar Tree. I got that at Dollar Tree as well. I got my little tools at Dollar Tree. I'm just picking things that kind of matched in color. And then I got my gloves. Actually, I bought those at Lowe's. They were a little bit better quality than the ones at Dollar Tree. And then I got this at Home Goods. It's a little Burt's Bees kit. And then I got a couple little flowers from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and put some shredded paper into the bottom of mine. And I'm just going to start stacking it up and layering it up. And I'm going to take a big bag and put it around these, and I'm going to heat seal this after I get done. And I'm just kind of trying to balance the sides of it and the center of it, just kind of give it a little bit balance so it doesn't look like it's just kind of thrown together. And then I'm going to take my flowers, and I'm going to roll those up in a little bouquet as well with the brown paper, and I'm going to tie a ribbon around those in that same mint color. This one actually came in at under $20. And actually those tools, I have those also at my house, and those are actually really pretty good gardening tools from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to kind of stick it right down in the middle, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my shrink wrap bag, and I'm going to put it in and shrink it up. And then to give it a little bit more height, I just went ahead and added a little box of cookies in here as well. And I got my shrink bags on Amazon. I'll give you the link for those if you want to use those. Or you can use ones from the Dollar Tree that don't shrink and just tie it up and make a pretty bow at the top. Taping my corners underneath, and then I'm going to take my shrink gun and I'm going to shrink it up. Now this is just an embossing gun, and I can give you the link for that as well. But I just didn't go all the way to the very top. I kind of stopped before I got to my flowers because I didn't want my flowers to get crushed. But I just kind of mainly did the base and the edges. And then I'm just going to take another one of those little flowers, except a white one, and I'm going to attach it around the top part of this. And these are from Michael's. And then I'm going to take some ribbon and tie it around and tie it in a bow. And that was pretty easy. This one turned out really cute too. It's very colorful. I really like the way this one turned out. Next, I got these at Home Goods. I just got some soap, a little scrubby, a soap dish, a color coordinated soap, and then some flowers that match. And I'm just going to put it in a gift basket. Okay, and I'm going to start by just putting some tissue paper in the bottom and then up the sides where the handles are, so that when I put my crinkle paper in there, it just doesn't go all out of there. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with crinkle paper so that my products sit up on top of the basket, because you don't want them sinking down. And then I'm just going to go ahead and open up some little cavities to go ahead and put my soap in here first. And then to give it some height, I'm going to just start standing my things up inside of here and just kind of play with this a little bit. It took me a little bit of while to get this one exactly dialed in. Just kind of play with it till you feel like it looks exactly like you want it. And then I'm going to take some flowers, and I'm just going to go ahead and put those in the front and tuck the greenery into the back part. And then I'm just going to take a shrink bag and I'm just going to put it around it and shrink it up. And this one came in at about $22, I calculated up, including the basket. And then I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that it's flat on the bottom, and I'm just going to go ahead and tie it off with a rubber band at the top. And then I'm going to tape my corners in, and then I'm going to start heat sealing it. And just kind of put it on low. I'm using this embossing gun, and I just haven't put mine on low because you don't want to shrink it up too much. And really, if you want to make it look good and you don't want to scrunch up the top so much, you can actually just do around the base of the basket instead until that all draws in really nicely, and then it still looks good without having to go all the way to the top, and you're not going to crush all your flowers. And then I'm going to go ahead and add another one of those little flowers like I did earlier on this one, and then I'm going to tie a ribbon that coordinates with it around the top part as well. All right, that one was pretty simple, and it's pretty. Tell me what you think in the comments below. I'm going to take another one of those gift bags, and I'm just going to add some soap, a candle, and some flowers. And I just got these at Home Goods, but you can get these, you can find good prices on Bath and Body stuff at Bath and Body Works, at Walmart, at Target. You know, it doesn't have to be an expensive gift as long as you take your time to really make it look pretty. And then I'm just going to take a wash rag, and I'm just going to roll a few tulips up in it and tie a ribbon around the middle of it. This was a super simple one. This one came in at under $20. And not to mention that they can use that bag for something else later after they're finished. I'm just going to kind of stick those right in the corner. I'm going to go ahead and put a snap on it. I'm adding a little bag of candy in there as well. And then I'm just going to put one of those little flowers on the front of it. Just kind of play with it a little bit till you get exactly how you want it to look. I rearranged my bags several times before I finally finished them up. And then just put your flower on there, and that's it. This would be a great gift for any time of the year. It'd be a great hostess gift, a great birthday gift. Just super simple. Look how cute that turned out. Okay, for this next one, I'm just using a wooden box, and I got that at Hobby Lobby. And then I'm just taking a dish towel. I'm going to open it up, and I'm just going to put it in the bottom. And I put crinkle paper into the bottom of my box, and then I'm just adding a plant, and I'm adding a little scrubby, and then I'm adding a little eucalyptus bar of soap. And then I'm just going to top it off with some of the little tulips, just kind of bend them and put them down in there. And then I'm going to put this in a bag and heat shrink it. Plants really do make a basket look really pretty. Just going to go ahead and pull it up. I'm going to take a rubber band, tie it around the top part. And then I'm going to go ahead and tape in my corners again underneath. And then it's going to go ahead and heat shrink it. And I'm just going to heat shrink just the bottom part where the box is. I'm not going to go all the way up to the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and add one of those little flowers to the front of it. And I'm going to go ahead and tie a ribbon on it. Now I'm using a contrasting color on this just to kind of give it a little more color and make it pop a little bit. Okay, for around $20, that was pretty simple. Let me know what you think. Okay, for this next one, I'm just going to put some little butterfly stickers that I got at Dollar Tree along the bottom of it, just to kind of spruce it up a little bit. These bags, I think they were probably my favorite for gifting because they go together so cute and you can see inside of them. If you do some pretty color combinations and stuff like that, these really are inexpensive to make. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fill the bottom of it up with the little same crinkle paper. And you can get that at Dollar Tree. Okay, then I'm just adding a body lotion to this. I'm adding some exfoliating pads, some hair scrunchies, and then I'm going to add a clip, a hair clip. And then I went back in and I added a little bag of candy as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some flowers, just like I did before, with the where you roll them up in the tissue paper. And then I'm just going to snap it together, and I'm just going to add one of those little flowers to the front of it. These are so easy to do and so cute. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, for this last one, I'm just taking a basket, putting some paper in it. I got that blanket at IKEA for $5.99. I'm adding some hemp lotion in here. I'm going to add a little bag of cookies in here. Then I'm taking a wash rag, and I'm just going to roll it up, and I'm going to put some flowers right down in the center of it. This was really super easy. This one actually came in at about $22. And then I'm going to take a shrink bag to shrink it all up. And I'll give you the link in the description for all the supplies that I used, all the shrink bags, the little bags with the handle, the clear ones, and then the boxes that I used. These are pretty easy to put together. You could just put just about anything in these, but I did a spa theme this year that I really think that they turned out really cute. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. I'm just tying a ribbon right around the front part. All right, that turned out super cute. If you like these kind of videos, be sure and give me a like. If you want to see future videos, be sure and subscribe, and be sure and ring that bell so you're notified when I have another video upload. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.